What's going on, guys? Aaron Norris here with Sheer Perfection, working with Mr. Pompadour today, teaching you guys how to pick your placement for the low skin fade. All right, so the first step in choosing the placement for your low skin fade is pretty much we want to remove all the bulk so that we can see where we want to pick our placement. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm removing all the bulk so I can see the shape of the head. And now I'm just going to carry this over to the other side. Oh, keep it turning. All right, so now that we've removed all the bulk, now we want to go in and pick our placement for the low skin fade. And so now how do we choose, or how do we pick that placement? We want to look from the top of the ear to the parietal ridge, and we notice that it's a shorter distance. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to barely go up right above the top of the ear. And that's going to establish my guideline for the low skin fade. And I'm just going to carry this on over to the other side. So now that we've established our first weight line, now I'm going to go in with my detailers, and pretty much we're just going to come up under our weight line that we just made. I'm going to stretch the skin. I'm leaving a little bit of space. And after I follow up with the trimmers, I'm going to come back under with the shavers, leaving a little bit of space in between for a smooth transition. And then I'm just gonna carry it on over to the other side. Don't forget that this is the most important part of any type of skin fade. It's establishing that smooth or seamless transition from skin to the haircut on top, to the style on top. Now that we've pretty much established where we want our low fade to start, now it's just a matter of fine-tuning the haircut and making sure we don't go up too high, because it's just still a low fade. We want to be able to have that seamless transition from skin into our style that we're going to have up top. So now I'm just going to go ahead with the shavers. I'm still staying up under my trimmer line. I'm kind of flicking out, having lighter pressure towards that weight line. And as you can tell that in this area right in here, I barely have to do anything. And you'll see why with the end result. This is still a very important part of the low skin fade. All right guys, so now that we've finished the haircut and already blow dried his hair, we're gonna go ahead and use the natural beeswax paste to style his hair. All right, so you only need about a dime size scoop. And since this is a thicker product, you want to really emulsify it in your palms, work it in. And then you want to start off by getting all the strands that are loose or loose ends, and then just kind of working it into the style that you want, still emulsifying it. All right guys, and that is how you pick the placement for your low skin fade. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'm Aaron Norris at Sheer Perfection, signing off with Mr. Pompadour.
Hi, thanks for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, Pompadour Brands is a premium hair care company with products for men, women, and professionals. Check us out at pompadourpro.com and bring out the best in your hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next time.